Here's my top 5 reasons why you need the travel mat by Thermalay. 1. Pure comfort. The travel mat by Thermalay simply rolls out on your seat. The neck pillow attached has been masterfully designed to connect below the neck with a loop and catch system. 2. The arms of the neck pillow can be switched to the side, filled with memory foam. The arms hold their place once molded to your neck. 3. Got a bad back? Flip the arms behind the mat for extra lumbar support. 4. Be prepared. Ever been stuck at the airport with the kids? The travel mat by Thermalay can be used as a mattress to keep the kids and yourselves well rested on cancelled flights or for those unholy layovers. 5. Feel the bamboo material. That's breathable, that's washable. You'll be getting 2 inches of convoluted foam. This is designed to help relieve pressure points on the legs and back. Look, it's not business, but it's the next best thing.
Look over here, wait a minute, come over here.
Hi guys, on May 22 we're offering these babies.
Even if you don't sign up, please come back on May 22 for the Kickstarter launch. Yay!